doing? You practicing your letters?
Jumped next.
Oh, you're gonna go to the next page?
Q.
You're gonna go back?
Q.
Oh,
next.
Q
Core
for
vocabulary.
Quinn.
Jumped.
Let's go back.
Back.
Let's go back.
Delete.
Let's go back.
Previous.
Q for Quinn. U for Uncle Michael.
Next.
You gonna turn the page? You wanna go back?
S.
Swing. S for swing. You like to swing, huh?
Vocabulary.
I like this. I think you're having fun with your letters.
X. Like in ox. Fox.
Like in fox. Can we try and find the first letter that starts your name?
Next.
Can we try? Let's see if we can go
Q.
back.
Previous.
Go back? Should we go back? Let's see if I can find it. Let's see. Gracie, chat words. Can you, chat words, help?
Grace.
G for Grace. Good job. Good job. Let's go back. I like this. You are smart.